Hi there, so here is the one more truly wireless earphones, and the reason I got this is because many people have compared its sound quality to Sennheiser and Bose. Well, it's far cheaper. Now don't get me wrong, I'm not saying skip Bose and get these, that's for you to decide. I just want to see, are they really that good? So without wasting any time, let's unbox it, let's review it, but before that, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. This is your friend Singh. Let's get started. And here is the retail packaging of the One More Bluetooth earphone. You can see the picture on the top. It's also received the Design Award in 2019. On the side, you can see the MRP is $8,999, but it's selling on Amazon for $6,999. Alright, let's open the box. I must say the packaging is really impressive. Upon opening the box, I was greeted with a beautiful illustration of the design process. Right in the center are the earbuds charging case. Press the button on the front to open the lid. That's pretty neat. On the top are the earphones. Inside this box are 3 sizes of soft silicone ear tips, 2 sizes of ear fins, a carry case with one more branding, and a USB to micro USB flat charging cable. I would have loved to see USB-C, but anyway. The earbuds are also held in with magnets so they don't fall off the case. Nothing new though, but very important. The build is fully plastic and they look quite good. One more branding on the top, and inside you can see the left and right signs. Alright, without wasting any time, let's wear them and see. So they fit pretty well. It also seals, and yes, thanks to the ear fins on the earbuds, they hold on very well and they don't fall off whatever be. They do stick out a little, but that's okay, not something I'll worry about. I've worn them for a couple of hours without any discomfort. There are buttons on each of the buds. Pressing them once is pause and play, pressing them twice is the next track, triple pressing them is previous track. There is no way to change the volume on the buds. How I wish it was there. It's such a pain to reach your phone every time you want to adjust the volume. However, you can use that same button to answer or reject phone calls. Pairing them is fairly easy. Open the lid and search in the Bluetooth section on your phone and you will see the One More name pop up. Click and they will pair. Once this is done, you only have to remove them from the case and plug it into your ears and they're turned on. And you put them back in the case when you're done and they turn off automatically. So let's jump on to the prime reason we buy earphones, the sound quality. So the moment I heard these, I was truly blown away. The bass is mind-blowing, really impressive. Not muffled and rough like we see on the most budget earphones, but clear and punchy. Very similar to the ones on the Apple AirPods Pro. Coming to the mids and highs, surprisingly good but not great. Instrument separation is brilliant, but clarity could be a little better. Don't get me wrong, it sounds very good, but maybe I expected just a little more. Bass heads are simply going to go crazy with these. The volume gets high, but not as high as I would like it to be. I travel in a metro a lot, and probably that time you wanted to get a little higher. But if you're wearing it in the gym, office, or casual listening, they get loud enough. Coming to the battery. Alright, this is where One More absolutely shines. Company claims 6 hours on one charge at 50 to 60% volume. I got 4 hours straight at 90% volume. That's really impressive with earphones that sound so good and portable. The case has a battery that can charge the earbuds approximately 3 to 4 times. But the best part about charging One More is 10 minutes of charge gives you 3 hours of music playback, which is really helpful. Also used these for phone calls and it didn't disappoint. The opposite person couldn't make out I wasn't using the phone to talk. I used it during my runs and for gym for short calls and they did a great job. However, in the metro, I did have to raise my voice, which is a little awkward, but indoors and gym and office, they performed perfectly fine. Alright, here are my final thoughts. In all honesty, I bought them with the idea of being overpriced and a potential disappointment. But let me just tell you that I was wrong. The One More Bluetooth stylish earbuds are selling on Amazon.in for 7,000 rupees. Now that's definitely not cheap. There are a ton of truly wireless earphones selling for under 2 to 3,000. But there is a reason why One More justifies the price. Excellent sound quality, and trust me, you're gonna love it.
and then the unbeatable 6 hours of battery life on a single charge. That's fabulous. You don't even get them on the Apple AirPods. If I had to compare them with Bose and Sennheiser earphones, well, I can say they're 80% there. But let's not forget Bose and Sennheiser are priced around 18 to 20 to 25,000. The only drawback with these is they don't have active noise cancelling, but by no means are they not good. Absolutely worth the price. If you want good sound quality, comfortable earbuds with amazing long battery life, go buy these. You won't regret it. I'll leave the link below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, do check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions about the One More earbuds, write down in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.